Hi there, welcome back to the channel. So in this really short video, I just wanted to do a quick demonstration of tapping blocks. As you can see, what I got going on right here, I just got three sides are cut off, and I've got my tongue side, my groove side actually, that fits over on the tongue side. So whenever I stick my board in there, it fits in there perfect, if you can see that right there. And then I can just take my hammer, see that right there? It don't cause any damage or anything to the board here. With it flat like that, it fits in there perfect. In order to work this how you need it, because you need to tap the whole way down, these have a tiny gap in them, each one of these boards do. So you kind of have to hold that up at an angle so you can slide it like that. You just do just like that right there. And I want to point something out right here. You can see how much floor I've got laid right here. I don't know, maybe 100 square feet, maybe a little bit more. Anyway, okay, so as you can see, the damage here, and that is one of them. And here's another one that's already damaged. And I've already got another one that I've already threw away. So this is three boards that I've already damaged and had to go through. So we're going to throw those away. We ain't even going to worry about those. A lot of people say, you don't need to waste your money on a tapping block. Do that right there. Well, you see the results of that in 100 square feet right here I've got laid already. I've already been through 3 tapping blocks doing that, and I finally said, you know what, forget it, I'm just going to go get mine, which I should have done that to begin with. This right here, so I have had this for probably 8 years, maybe even longer. And can you see these edges right here, how it's kind of beat out a little bit? You can see the minor damage here and the minor damage right there. This is 8 or 10 years of abuse, of beating and tapping on this thing right here. And if you'll notice, can you see the groove right there? Okay, so as you can notice, there's 2 edges of this that have a groove on it right there. That is to set, this part will actually set on the wood. This part right here will go up against the edge of your wood, and this is the actual part right here that makes contact with your wood. You have a long wide part, and you have a narrow part for end pieces, like if you was tapping the ends together, like if you was to need to use a skinny spot for one of these small boards or something like that, you could use the end of it, or else you can use the wide end for the regular planks. And the awesomest thing about this is this handle bent on top, okay? I guarantee you, everybody who has ever laid any amount of LVP, laminate or anything using tapping blocks like this has smashed their finger like that, tapping them in, has smashed their finger. I guarantee it. This knob on top completely prevents that. Your hands, your fingers are completely out of the way. You don't have to worry about anything. Just watch how easy this slides. You don't have to have it at an angle like this, like you did a while ago on that other piece, and tap it in. Watch this. And a lot of people say these are a complete waste of money, and I am here to prove that theory wrong. If you lay any amount of LVP or LVT, vinyl, laminate, or anything, this is awesome. See that? Flat on the floor, okay? Flat on the floor, and you're not damaging anything. This thing might have been 15 bucks. I can't remember. Like I said, I've had it for a lot of years, and it is still in tremendous shape. It'll probably last me for the rest of my career. It's made out of a super, super hard plastic. So, am I on? Is my voice going? So, it's took years of abuse with very minor damage to it. See that? You can't beat that handle on top. You've been able to hold that flat on the floor. I don't care who says anything about throwing money away. This is not throwing money away. If it is helping you on your job, helping you be more efficient, that's more money. It's not throwing money away. That's investing money in your business and in your job, and it's making you more profitable to find something to speed your job up, more efficient with less damage. And this is produced by Crane. Okay, I just wanted to show that. I don't have a number on this. If there was a number at one time, it is wore off by now, I'm sure. But anyway, you guys can see what it looks like. If you want to look it up, it is a super awesome tapping block. Again, I've had it 8 or 10 years and it has very minor damage. I just wanted to point that out and share that with you guys. I hope it'll benefit. I hope somebody will take their few dollars and purchase this and save them mash fingers, speed their jobs up, not causing damage to the floor, not going through multiple tapping blocks. This one will last you for years to come. Go get one.